Hi, friends. Good day, and welcome to another episode of Sunday. Uh, we're going to learn today how to generate pivot tables and reports filters into multiple tabs at a quick click of a button over here. So consider this to be a slight extension from what we did last week, where grouping data on pivot tables, and we'll just continue from there. So once you've grouped the data, or you have the pivot table ready, you might want to consider and breaking out this data elements into different tabs for different purposes, right? For example, you have all of this data grouped here by the year and the months, etc. Let us say you want to now create separate tabs just for maybe analysis purposes or anything to have individual data for each year over there. So how do we go about that, right? Rather than creating multiple pivots across multiple sheets for each year, a real quick way you could go about it. I'm going to move the year data into the filters. So now the key element here is that the filter is the only basis on which the sheets will be separated over here. Okay, so I have the years in the filter section now. I'm going to go to the Analyze tab. In the Options section, you have this selection called Show Report Filter Pages. Click on this and you will see the years over here. Once I click OK, you will see that the tabs have been auto-created on the file for each of the years. In this case, there's a date selection, which is less than. I don't need that. Could delete it, maybe even applicable for the ones which are greater than as well. I'm going to delete it. But you see this now for 2023, I have the months and the same pivot getting replicated for each of the 3 years. Yeah. Let's take in this case, again, we have all of this. I would like to separate it out by buyers and each of them into the groups. I'm going to do the same thing, right? We'll go to pivot filter pages, select the buyer and do OK. Now you have a or a page for each of the buyers out here, and you can analyze each of them respectively. So I do hope you found this useful. This is all we have for today, for this week. Take care and have a good day.